So here we are today at a baseball field, and our goal is to figure out where we want to put second base. We're going to use Pythagorean theorem to help us figure that out. You can see second base is missing, and we need a right angle at first base. We don't have fancy tools, so what are we going to use? A piece of rope. We're going to take that rope and we're going to tie knots in it so that we have even spaces in between the knots. Each of those spaces will be a unit of measure. See, we're tying those knots very carefully so that they are lined up exactly. Now, if you remember from our study of Pythagorean theorem, a 3, 4, 5 triangle is a right triangle because it matches Pythagorean theorem, right? 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So from the diagram here, you see we need 12 knots with 12 spaces so that we have a right triangle. So we got all our knots tied and we're double checking they're all the same, they're even, and we got the right number, and we tie our triangle off and we lay it on the field. We pull it tight so that one side has a length of 3 and we hold on the knot, and a side of 5 and hold on the knot, and a side of 4. Takes us back to first base where we want our right angle to be. Now you can see when we got it pulled tight, we can actually move that whole triangle back and forth a little bit so that we can get everything lined up exactly where we want it to be and figure out where second base should go. So here today you see a practical way that we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve a problem.